just did the so-called stretching class, and I thought it'd be more of a yoga class. So it starts at 7 o'clock, and there were 3 people there, and 2 of the people left like a few minutes into the class because it wasn't really that like interesting. It was just like stretching over your head, then stretching aside like this, things like that. And it ended up being with just me and the instructor and a couple of people looking onward. And the class only lasted 10 minutes out of the half an hour. Now, Royal Caribbean, I don't know what they're doing here, but they're not paying their yoga instructors. However, at Carnival and Norwegian, they actually have real stretching classes that last 30 minutes. So that's a big negative for Royal Caribbean for their exercise program. It looks like you have to pay for an actual yoga class. They're already open.
It's very windy.
Oh my god! Yeah, I saw it.
For breakfast?
Yeah.
Have you had this before?
Well, we just came back from eating at the Windjammer, and it was really rocky there.
It was. I feel kind of motion sick right now. We met some nice people too at the next table over.
Wow! Wow!
Oh my god! Oh my god.
That was very windy.
I fell back.
So, yeah, look at all those things are moving right there. They're like moving and moving.
Yeah, there were chairs up there that fell.
I fell. I fell.
Canadian theater.
Wait, do you hear that?
Yeah, everything's creaking. The ship's about to die. So they really do have another place where they can perform things. So we're here at this lounge over here. It's the upper level of this lounge. Downstairs is where they have live bands and such. So you get a nice comfy seat right by the windows. You can watch beautiful ocean go by. I don't recall anything like this in Carnival Pride.
Yeah, it was like really dark, and
Yeah.
there weren't any windows.
And there weren't nice seats like this. And this is like quite nice actually. They're kind of making us feel almost like royalty. Maybe that's why it's called Royal Caribbean.
We're right at the front of the ship. It's pretty rocky.
You have a very pleasant stay on board the Grandeur of the Seas.
What kind of ship is that?
I don't know, cargo? Oh my god.
Very windy. Cool. There you go. Day 2 lunch. Yeah. We have Lebanese burger, which is kofta. We have roasted pork leg. We have some sort of Asian beef with gravy. Grilled fish with beurre blanc sauce. A salad. And Asian sweet chicken.
And if you are looking for the best of the best, ask about my unique one-of-a-kind paintings. We have acrylic, watercolor, oil, gouache, all the different types of unique works. Now the most important aspect, the third factor, is the artist. Now I recently upgraded my own artistic skill. I can now draw a shadow on a stick man. Thank you. Thank you. So if I was to create a painting, would it be worth anything? Thank you for the compliment, but the honest answer is no. Maybe to my mother, but that is about where my collection base ends.
Jack, if you don't mind me asking, well, you know that this is us, so I'm not sure. Oh, ma'am, sorry, we're not allowed to make music.
So how's the pool? So is the water rough there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Everything's shaking.
Oh, we got some chai iced tea lattes with our cafe select card. We also have, these are free, salami sandwiches, a pound cake, and we have some sort of apple cake as well.
So we just took photos with the captain.
With Captain Pear, who didn't even talk to us the second time. I said hello, and he's just like nodding, like what Shaka Khan did. I guess some people are just like one of those like introvert types, so they don't want to really talk to people very much. Yeah. But he's the captain. He should be more personable, right? Oh well. Captain Pear.
Maybe he talk to us at first. He doesn't want to talk to us anymore.
Nah, it could be.
Alright, so we're going to go to dinner soon?
Yes, it's supposed to be something that promises to be a good meal, and I did see a preview of the menu yesterday by flipping over the menu card, because the menu cards that we had on our menus, I like turned it over and there was a different menu there, and it had duck l'orange on there, which is like a roast duck with orange sauce. Fancy phrase for duck with orange sauce. And there was supposed to be some a filet mignon type beef, like beef tenderloin. So that's probably something you're gonna get, right, B?
Yes.
Yeah. And they did not have lobster, which is really weird because usually all the cruise ships, they have a lobster night. So I'm kind of disappointed about that. You could order a lobster like for $29.95.
Yeah, from Chops.
Yeah, it's a Chops Grill lobster, supposedly. And they bring it down to the table. You could also get filet and a lobster tail for $34.95. So those are the two Chops Grill options. You can also get filet mignon, but we're getting tenderloin today, so that's kind of like almost filet mignon. It's like filet mignon-like. So we'll see what we're gonna get. I'm probably gonna get the duck, so that'll be good. Okay, this is the calamari, but there's no tentacles in the air. And they're not fully. We heard that the lobster bisque is really good, so we got the lobster bisque. This is duck l'orange. It is a French version of duck. It's almost like a duck confit. And it's got the roasted duck, it's got the hash brown potatoes, and there's some sort of meat salad. This is the beef tenderloin that's on the menu. This is the one that they really suggested us get. So it's prepared medium, but it looks like it's more medium rare. And I like that. It's good. So our table mates are Indian, and they have a very special dish made for them, which is chicken saag. So it's chicken in a spinach kind of thing on top of rice. So we're gonna try it.
It's good, right?
Knock some socks off. That's good. Give me your hand.
It's a go-to direction.
Yes, it is. This is the Grand Marnier souffle. Let's see if they can do it justice. And what's that? An warm apple pie. That looks really good.
Look.
Whoa, an animal, finally. What is that? A rabbit?
I think it's like a rabbit with a ninja mask.
Park Cafe Pizza and a choco bar.
Oh.
It's like some sort of peppermint thing. An iced tea.
Alright, so that was day 2. We'll see you tomorrow for Cape Canaveral and Icon Park.